So good morning everyone.
Good morning.
I'm Akib. I would like to tell you something about this picture. So this is one of the biggest park in my society, and this is also known as Indra Park, and it's so beautiful. You can see there are so many people are enjoying this garden, like children and senior citizen, and so many are there in adult. So there are so many park and beautiful homes, and you can see the ship, and there are one girl are performing yoga, and here there's a one boy and girl, they are dating each other, and this girl is doing the cycling, and so we can see this girl is reading the book, and so basically they are enjoying in a park, and they are doing something like you can see the senior citizen are discussing something, and so the children are playing with each other, and they enjoying a lot. Thank you.
That's right. Good job.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Saruk Tyagi. I will describe this picture, and this is a company garden, and she's doing in study. She's very intelligent, and no waste of time. And he walking with doggy every day in the park, and she celebrating birthday in the park with brother, and she walking in park with brothers, and he's flying the kites. He's flying the kites every day in the park, and
Hello guys, good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Akis Gupta. I would like to describe this picture. We can see that this is a garden. It is located in my society. This is a very big garden in my society. It is also known as Mahendra Park. We can see that there are many types of people are doing other kinds of activities. There are many green teas, and there are also a lake. In this lake there is a ship.
Now you may start.
Good morning, friends. Today I am going to tell you about this picture. This picture is a park picture. It is a rose garden, and it is a very famous park in my city. And there are many activities is being that I am telling you about these activities. This is Rohan. He is a dog lover, and he has a pit bull dog, and he is make walking her dog, and he is Rahul, who is running with his wife, because his wife got fat, that he want to reduce fat his wife, so he is very serious to reduce weight her wife, and she is Kavita. She is very yoga lover. So he is doing yoga, and after that he goes to.
Hello guys, I am Aman Sharma. I am standing in front of you to describe this picture. This is a picture of a park which is located in my colony. As you can see this, there is just so much rush in this park. The lady is doing yoga, and the boy and girl is jogging, and she is reading book, and a boy who is roaming with a dog, and see a lot of children are playing and on the swings, and girl who is cycling. As you know very well, for the health issues, and for the health issues many people go to park, but in their busy lives some people do not went to the park, and it will cause a lot of diseases and cancer many go. But so I ensure that the people go to the park and do some exercise so that they can be fit as well. Thank you.
That's fine. Good.
Good morning everyone. I want to discuss about this park. This is a very beautiful park. There is a lot of trees in this park. There is a lot of rush in this park. Two children playing here. Two children are playing, and one lady are sitting and studying the book. Two old men are standing, and one girl is cycling, and one girl get yoga, and two persons are sitting on the chair, and one girl with her mother singing the swing, and a boat in the river, and behind this park there is a house.